Bitcoin BTC Technical Analysis, February 23, 2025 1. Market Overview. As of now, Bitcoin is showing signs of volatility, with its price fluctuating between key support and resistance levels. The broader market sentiment is cautious, with investors keeping a close eye on macroeconomic factors, such as interest rate decisions, regulatory updates, and Bitcoin's correlation with traditional markets. 2. Price action. Bitcoin has recently experienced a slight dip, which could be attributed to both market consolidation after a significant rally and global market uncertainties. Currently, Bitcoin's price is hovering near critical levels that have seen a significant price action in the past. Key levels to watch. Support. The immediate support for Bitcoin is at around $25,500. This level has provided strong support in recent price movements and could be a crucial area for buyers to step in. Resistance. The main resistance is located at $28,000, a level where price action has shown resistance in the past week. A breakout above this level would likely trigger further bullish momentum, with the next key resistance around $30,000. 3. Moving averages. Bitcoin's 50-period moving average (MA) is still above the 200-period MA, which is considered a strong bullish signal, golden cross. This suggests that the trend is generally bullish over the medium term, but the price is consolidating for now. 50-period MMA, $26,500, 200-period MMA, $22,000. However, we are also seeing Bitcoin's short-term moving averages converge, indicating a potential period of consolidation or even a trend reversal if the price fails to break above the resistance at $28,000. 4th, RSI, Relative Strength Index. The RSI is currently at 55, which is not overbought or oversold, indicating neutral market conditions. A reading above 70 would indicate overbought conditions, while below 30 would signal oversold conditions. Given its current positioning, Bitcoin could either continue its upward trajectory if bullish momentum picks up or consolidate before the next move. 5. MACD Moving Average. Convergence, divergence. The MACD is showing a slight bullish divergence, with the MACD line crossing above the signal line. This suggests that there could be some short-term upside potential, but the momentum is still weak, which means any breakout might be followed by a retracement. MACD line, just above the signal line, histogram. Slightly positive, showing waning bearish pressure 6. Fibonacci. Retracement. If we take a recent high of $31,000 and a low of $24,500, Bitcoin has retraced almost 38.2% of its recent move. The key Fibonacci levels to watch are 23.6% Fibonacci level, around 27,000, a minor resistance zone. 38.2% Fibonacci level, around $26,200, a potential reversal level if the price retraces further. 61.8% Fibonacci level, around 24,500, a significant support zone that coincides with the previous low. 7. Volume analysis. Bitcoin's trading volume has been relatively light in recent days, suggesting a lack of clear direction. When volume spikes, it often indicates the start of a new trend or a breakout. Therefore, a significant increase in volume near key support or resistance levels would be a strong indicator of the next price direction. 8. Sentiment. Sentiment is still cautious, as Bitcoin struggles to break out of its range. Although long-term bulls are still hopeful, short-term traders are likely to remain cautious. Regulatory news and market conditions, including any changes in interest rates or inflation expectations, could have a significant impact on Bitcoin's short-term price movements. Conclusion for Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is currently consolidating near key support levels and could either continue its upward momentum if it manages to break the $28,000 resistance or face further downside risk if it fails to hold the $25,500 support. Investors should monitor volume and price action near these levels, along with broader market factors, for clues about Bitcoin's next move. Tether USDT Technical Analysis, February 23, 2025. 1. Market Overview. Tether USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, meaning its price remains relatively stable, hovering around the dollar level. However, it's important to analyze its movements because fluctuations in the supply and demand for USDT can reflect underlying shifts in market sentiment. 2. Price action. USDT's price action typically remains stable within a tight range, but there are occasional fluctuations due to changes in the liquidity of the broader cryptocurrency market. Recently, we've seen slight deviations from its peg during periods of high volatility in the market. Support shock resistance. Support. The support level for USDT is around $0.995, which has held during market instability. Resistance. On the upside, USDT rarely breaches $1.01 as it stays within the $1 peg zone. Bitcoin's 50-period moving average is currently above the 200-period moving average, which signals a bullish market structure overall. This is a typical golden cross setup, which historically has marked more extended uptrends. 50-period MA currently at $26,500, 200-period MA currently at $22,000. This setup indicates that, in the long term, the trend is likely to be bullish. However, Bitcoin is caught in a sideways consolidation pattern at the moment, which is often a precursor to a significant price move, either up or down, depending on where the breakout occurs. Fourth, RSI Relative Strength Index. Currently, the RSI stands at 55, which is neither overbought nor oversold. This suggests neutral market conditions with no immediate indication of extreme bullish or bearish sentiment. A reading above 70 would indicate that Bitcoin is overbought and could be due for a pullback, while an RSI below 30 would signal oversold conditions, potentially marking a buying opportunity. 5. MACD Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD is showing a bit of bullish divergence, with the MACD line crossing above the signal line. However, the momentum is still weak and the histogram shows only a slight positive shift. This could suggest that while there may be short-term upside potential, it's unlikely to see any strong movement without a solid catalyst. MACD line slightly above the signal line, histogram just slightly positive. Sixth, Fibonacci retracement. When we measure Bitcoin's recent rally from 24,500 to 31,000, we can identify key Fibonacci levels that might act as the support or resistance during price retracements. 23.6% retracement level, around $27,000, where price might face some resistance. 38.2% retracement level, around $26,200, a critical support area that could offer some buying interest. 61.8% retracement level, around $24,500, which is close to the last major low and an important support zone. 7. Volume analysis. Volume is a crucial indicator for confirming price movements. At this moment, volume is relatively low, indicating a lack of conviction from both bulls and bears. Significant volume spikes either at key support or resistance levels can give an early warning of breakout or breakdown.